So today I'm going to do a tour about my house. So basically this is not my house, this is my MSU residence unit. Every floor ada specific color. So I got yellow, this bright yellow, but I have to redha dan pasrah with the yellow. So I'm living with it. So basically this is my living room and combined with my kitchen. So this is the fridge. Ingat tak last video and cakap fridge and rosak kan? Sampai sekarang dia tak balik lagi. So I'm living with no fridge right now. And then this one is microwave. And then this is my kettle. No, this is my housemate's kettle. So kita orang just share je lah barang-barang kita orang. Lepas tu this multi-purpose cooker baru sampai hari tu and tak pakai pun lagi sebab fridge and rosak. So and tak boleh nak beli barang-barang masak lagi. Okay, so this pintu leads you to my sinki. Aku kotor pula ada ni towel. Lepas tu this the surrounding, dia tengok pemandangan pintu rumah. Okay, lepas tu this is our meja makan. Kita orang makan kat sini kalau ada study group. Before this, meja ni dia menegak kat sini sebab bila study group senang nak bincang. And nak lebih luas, so and tolak ke tepi. So next is our shoes. Ni housemate I punya. This one is mine. Tapi sebenarnya I ada banyak. I ada banyak gila. Like banyak gila kasut. But yang lain tu ada kat dalam kereta. Okay, so okay, so this is since I'm living alone sekarang, my housemate tak kat rumah, dia orang tak balik lagi sini. So I just left my luggage here and also my makanan kucing dan also my pasir kucing di sini. Okay, lepas tu this is my vacuum and then this is my air. This is very useful, okay? Kita tak payah nak tongging-menongging. But kalau cawan tak ada ataupun korang malas nak cawan, korang just gitu. Lepas tu, okay, next kita orang ada tiga bilik. Ni bilik first ni sempit. Ni bilik second, this is my room. Okay, nanti lepas ni. Okay, this is bilik 3 and bilik 2 sama. Dia punya design dia sama. Okay, so dua pintu ni is my bathroom. So this is how it looks like. Besar juga kan? So this is my bucket. And also ada my housemate things over there. And then let's proceed to my room. Okay. Assalamualaikum. So this is my room. My roommate tak ada sebab dia pindah. Dia baru je keluar hari tu. So tinggal I seorang je. So I'm gonna show you my part kat dalam room ni. Okay? Okay. Okay, so this is our study table. And this is my roommate study table. But I dah tak ada roommate, so I letak barang I sikit kat sini. Okay, and then this is my study table. So my study table ada my iPad, my laptop and also my decorations. This one my good friend, my best friend bagi I. Okay, lepas tu this jam I beli dekat Mr. DIY. Then this stand, this gadget stand I beli kat Shopee. Obviously this one I beli kat Shopee. Okay, lepas tu yang ni scented candle ni I beli dekat my friend juga. I support her small business. And then this mat I beli dekat Mr. DIY. So my theme, mostly my theme is brown and black and also mattes. Tak cantik kan? Cantik kan? Cantik kan? Okay. Lepas tu bawah meja ni, I ada my rack I beli dekat Tesco. this one I just keep my belongings, my things, and also my extras for toiletries and my skincare, because I ada jual skincare. And then my printer, of course, sebab I malas gila nak pergi kedai, save money. And this is a trolley, my food trolley, my tissue trolley, and also bawah ni kabel-kabel je. Bawah ni kabel-kabel je. So macam semak kan, so I tak tahu macam nak organize dia. So dia macam I tinggalkan dia macam tu je lah. Okay, next to my katil. And also, this is my favorite. It's so fluffy and also so comfy. I beli kat Tesco je. Sebab kat Tesco, kalau korang tahu kalau korang tahu, dekat Tesco section 13 Shah Alam ada satu kedai comel ni. And then dalam kedai tu ada macam-macam benda. And barang-barang dekat dalam kedai tu sumpah comel gila. And I memang recommend lah korang pergi cari barang kat situ sebab barang-barang dia cantik and comel. Okay, so this is my bag. Dia atas katil, bawah ni almari. So katil I ni, dia punya tangga macam ni tau. Dia punya tangga macam ni. And then dia macam tak, dia macam susah nak naik sebenarnya. So I akan letak my kerusi. Lepas tu I akan naik macam ni lah, I akan naik macam ni. Tapi my friends yang datang nak naik katil memang susah nak naik. Satu susah nak naik, satu lagi dia orang akan lebam-lebam sebab terlanggar benda ni. Bila dah naik, malas nak turun. Okay, next. This is my telekom. Obviously, my telekom kan. Okay. So this is my almari. Dia letak. So macam ni. This is my almari. Dia sebenarnya kemas tapi dia bersepah. Dia sebenarnya kemas tapi dia I've been buying tudung by yang mampus. So I tak tahu macam nak organize. Abaikan lah. Okay, so this is where I put my skincares, my pins, my food. And also 3 almari ni I letak yang ni. Ada comforter, ada plastik, ada face shield, and also my bags, my extra tissues. For me, tissues is very important and essential. And then this one is my skirts. I letak simpan my skirts and also my turun bawal. And this is my baju t-shirt, sweatshirt semua. And then this one is my tempat simpan buku. Stationery. Bongok sekejap. And this is also my favorite part of this room. After my katil, this is where I take my OOTDs and everything. And this cermin I beli dekat Kaison. Harga dia dalam 300 plus. And then dia cermin, dia bukan cermin semua mata je, dia ada dalam dia. Okay, dalam dia I letak, sepatutnya I nak letak my skincare, tapi dia macam bila I letak all my skincare, dia tak ada nak tutup. So instead of letak dalam ni, I letak kat luar. And then I tak banyak sangat accessories tau. So kalau untuk orang yang banyak accessories, ada banyak gila accessories, suka beli accessories, so you guys should buy this. This is very useful. So I letak my ubat, my barang yang I jarang pakai lah. And then my sikat, my cincin. My accessories banyak cincin sebenarnya, I tak banyak sangat. Okay, next. This one, this is not mine. It's my friends, but I have to jaga this pokok. But this pokok is so senang nak jaga, sangat-sangat nak jaga. Ini pokok lili. Pokok lili dia memang senang gila nak jaga. Dia tak perlukan banyak matahari and then tak perlu siram everyday. Kalau nampak macam dia dah layu, baru siram. Sebab dia ni sangatlah senang nak jaga, ya? Okay. My essential as a girl and as a content creator, self-claim as a as a small business, this is essential, which is this is a tripod, and then I usually take pictures right there sebab lighting board nak mampus. Okay, lighting board. Lepas tu, this is all my dresses. This is my baju untuk shoot, like baju putih, dress putih, and also my sari. And this one is my pre-love things. I akan jual insyaAllah soon, but I don't know when. Just stay up to date. Follow my IG pre-love and pre-love by Anne. Nanti I letak dekat dalam description dulu. Okay, so next kita akan pergi level 13. Level 13 is tempat student selalu basuh baju, student melepak, student study, and also receptionist office, semua dekat level 13. And kita orang punya card only accessible to our floor, and also level 13 tu tak perlu card pun boleh naik. Tapi kalau nak masuk tu perlukan card lah. Guard tu akan scankan kalau korang ada urusan nak pergi office ke apa. So let's go to level 13. So level 13 mostly glass yang ada kat sini, and also our laundry, tempat kita mas baju. So let's go. This is our laundry room, kecil je, and kecil je lah. So this is and also this is our dryer. This kali dryer and mas baju kat sini. And then this is our untuk buka token, but I'm not usually basuh baju kat sini sebab dia guna token. I jarang ada cash kat dalam purse I, so I basuh kat luar. Ada satu kedai dekat depan this building, dia boleh transfer. Dia punya token dia just scan je. So I jarang lah guna. Bukan jarang, I tak pernah guna. Well, this is the laundry room lah. Okay, next. So kat belah sana is our sky garden, but tutup sebab COVID. And this is where we usually tengok movie with our friends. So this is Terrace Cafe. Dekat dalam ni selalunya kita orang akan buat study group, but sekarang kan tengah pandemic COVID, so tak ada orang lah. And then this is the favorite part, where we have all these vending machines, and that one is futsal court. Banyak lah dah habis. Okay, so okay, so let's head to our futsal. So this is multi-purpose card gymnasium. This is the dustbin, and then sambung with the table for study group. And then belakang ni ada futsal court. Okay, futsal court, and then belakang tu ada gym. Ada gym, and then there's a bathroom over there. And yeah, so this is the gymnasium. Lepas tu tak buka sebab COVID. And then toilet over there. So this is basically our level 13. Macam banyaklah accommodations for students. But right now, kan kita tengah COVID, tengah pandemic, so banyak tutup. And students semua balik rumah. So yeah. Okay, so I think that's all for our house tour. So thank you, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.